Para sa akin to?
Apo.
Thank you po. Oo nga eh. Thank you.
Tita.
Ay, wow. Thank you.
Kamamamon.
Kanino galing yan?
Ito.
Ay, thank you. Kaya
Kanino
galing.
galing yan?
Wala kay ate yan.
Sabi mo kay ate, thank you ha.
Apo.
Kiss daddy.
Ate, tatlo. Pagtutuloy tatlo na. Nag-isa tayo. Salamat yan
Nice shot! You won the big one! Galing na! Let's go! Galing mo ba?
Go, Johan! Yun, 500! Yun, 500!
You're all in! Nice shot! Maybe you want? Thank you po.
May nakakuha.
Oh, may sa mga kuha.
Dad. Galing naman naman. So, ilan pa? Meron ka pa?
Oh my God! Congratulations! Let's go!
Ma,
Oh, mama. What's that?
for you.
Oh, for what? For what? For what?
Happy Father's Day.
Oh, Sunday Pay, thank you!
Ano ko sa'yo galing ito?
Thank you.
Galing nga! Very good!
Wow! Nice one!
Hindi. Tatawagan ko si Maribel. Hindi. Ba't sino ko comment ng ganun?
So that is what it's like. Transforming power of art. That's it. You are my toy.
I'm sorry I became so furious over a book.
I shouldn't have taken it without your permission.
That book was the very last gift your mother gave to me before she disappeared. All I have left of her is this book, and you. But I know I can't keep the book or you locked up in this house forever.
Does that mean you'll let me go back to school then? Thank you, Father.
Great job, kids. You've done some really good work.
Parisians, I have heard the voices of our young people. They are our future. A future where the plaster roads will remain and the trees will continue to clean our air.
The League of the Titled Karens is no more. I am. Yes. Didn't do that whole thing alone. I would like to thank my wonderful family and my new friends who helped me make it possible. My wife Catherine, my two kids Brian and Emma, Kelly and Aronson, my sister Julie, Officer Kevin, D.W. Reed, Joseph Reed, Miss Morgan, and of course, Terrace Henderson. 3 cheers for them and me.
Hey everyone, look outside. The sky is back to normal. Well, what do you know? I guess Ryan didn't need our help after all. Well, I guess there's only one thing to say for the safety resistance. Mission completion!
Oh my goodness! The sky is back to normal. The cult of psychos is over. They actually did it!
Wow, this must be what joy feels like.
Mini Force, Crystal, as well as Kith and even Barry. 3 cheers for them.
job.
Now that's how you shoot a video. Girl, it was tight.
Nice job, Barbie. I am so proud of you.
Ja. Ja, cool.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, that's really good. I told you.
What's your face? That's Timmy with an I, as in, I wish I was an only child again. We're having a party in honor of the girl who saved Paris. Queen Bee. But Queen Bee is me. You're having a party for me? Chloe, I thought I'd lost you. Okay, no need to make a big thing of it. Besides, you're wrinkling my clothes. Sorry. Thanks, Ladybug. I'd be honored to call you my friend. Yeah, I'm happy to hear that. Hey, some advice? You don't have to lie and pretend to be something you're not. People will like you just for being yourself. You have my word, Ladybug. Bug out. Bye.
That sweet move. Great song, Ginger. Thanks.
Oh, my sons.
I'm just selfish and don't want to share Dad with you.
It's okay. I forgive you.
Now, let's go home, son.
Wait me, wait me.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Okay.
Oh my gosh! Thank God.
Ryan, it's yours. Sorry for spoiling you earlier. Okay. Thank you. Woo, 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 woo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. For you. Thank you. Bye-bye. It's okay. Thank you. Oh. save up your work bonus. Are you ever gonna tell them that you're Sharon D. Monet?
Nah.
I have to admit, it's nice to see them sharing money and not fighting over it.
It's finally over. My abusive life is finally over. No more abuse, and no more punishment days. I finally don't have to deal with my parents anymore since they're executed. Neither my former teacher, principal, my former classmate Scab, and especially the snitch Arthur, since they're in the Bolingbroke Penitentiary or prison. As if now, I find this place even better than Plotagon City, especially my new school. And living in Los Santos, California and McHale Solo the Goanimeter 2006's universe is much better than Plotagon City. I also have a new home here so I will not end up in an adoption center. And I could have said to make it all stop hurting. It kills me how you
just kidding. Ow. What fucking hurts a lot? It was Brad.
Finally trusted each other. They finally made it.
Not so fast.
Are you, huh?
Thanks, guys. You're the best.
You need a third hug.
No one has ever hugged me before. What is this strange feeling?
Great idea. Let's all join in.
You'll see. Now I'll show you. What's happening to me?
It's not working. Hurry, do something.
Because we all care about you.
You care about me? Really?
Yes, a lot. We all care about you.
So everyone cares about me? Impossible! Look, it's working!
Yeah, I think so. We did it, guys.
You okay, Lime?
I truly thank you guys. This was all I needed. Your sincere friendship.
We all have an origin. As some people,